Let's take a look at the display screen of the 3640 machine. This display screen, the laser cutting display, is the same for the 3350 as well. As long as it's this type of display screen, with this model number, the model number is R076450. How do you install its bracket? It's actually quite simple. We just take these 4 individual screws and carefully use them to securely fasten the 4 designated holes in place with the corresponding screws. After that, we have one noticeably longer screw and one comparatively shorter screw here. You can thoughtfully choose the appropriate one according to your specific needs and requirements. If you use the long one, you can install it like this. Lock the screws on this side and on this side, then fix it to whichever position you need, either on the wall or directly on the equipment. Both ways work, and that's how you install it. If you need the short one, this short one can be installed at an angle like this, right? Just choose the long or short one based on your needs. This installation is quite simple. Alright,